Imagine a world where blindness can be cured, paralysis reversed, and memories preserved like digital files. Sounds like science fiction? Well, not anymore. Elon Musk's Neuralink, a revolutionary brain implant technology, is turning these dreams into reality. But how does it work, and what could it mean for humanity? Let's dive in. Here's how it starts. A small section of your skull, about an inch in diameter, is replaced with the Neuralink device. It's flush with your head, so no one would even notice. Tiny, delicate threads are then implanted into specific areas of your brain, using a precision robot. No hitting veins or causing trauma. Think of it as connecting the wires to the most complex motherboard in existence, your brain. The possibilities? Life-changing. Neuralink could restore eyesight, even for those without an optic nerve. It could help quadriplegics walk again by bridging the gap between the brain and muscles. Imagine, someone who couldn't move a finger could someday run a marathon. But it doesn't stop there. Neuralink could combat neurological disorders like epilepsy by detecting and counteracting seizures in real time. It might even restore memory for those with Alzheimer's, or repair speech after a stroke. Essentially, it's about fixing the brain's broken circuits. And here's where it gets even more futuristic. Musk envisions a future where humans and AI work together seamlessly. With Neuralink, data transfer could be instant. Talking might become a thing of the past as we communicate complex thoughts directly, without words. From curing disabilities to redefining human communication, Neuralink could fundamentally change what it means to be human. But with such power comes big questions. Are we ready for a world where the line between human and machine blurs? What if you could back up your memories like saving a video game? What if your thoughts could travel faster than words? With Neuralink, this might not just be imagination, it could be our reality. Elon Musk believes we're already part cyborg. Your phone, your laptop, these are extensions of your mind. But the connection? It's painfully slow. Typing on a keyboard or tapping on a screen limits our potential. Neuralink aims to bridge that gap, making communication with machines, and even between humans, seamless. Picture this. No more words, no miscommunication. Neuralink could let us exchange thoughts directly. Complex ideas, feelings, and plans, all shared in an instant. Sounds like science fiction, but the science is real. Musk even hints at universal languages powered by AI, bypassing cultural and linguistic barriers. Yet, it's not all about convenience. Neuralink is tackling some of humanity's toughest challenges: epilepsy, strokes, even Alzheimer's. Imagine a device that not only detects a seizure, but stops it in real time, or restores speech and muscle movement after a stroke. Neuralink isn't just about the future, it's about improving lives today. But Musk doesn't stop there. He talks about saving states of consciousness, preserving the essence of who we are. Imagine revisiting your happiest memories with perfect clarity, or even interacting with a younger version of yourself. Neuralink could make this a possibility. Of course, this future raises big questions. Could we lose what makes us human? Will we merge entirely with AI? Musk calls this symbiosis, but is it progress, or a slippery slope? One thing's certain, we're entering uncharted territory. As Musk puts it, Neuralink is a step toward keeping up with AI, ensuring we're not left behind. A chance to redefine what's possible and rethink how we connect with ourselves, each other, and the universe. But the big question is, are we ready for it? If you're as fascinated as we are, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more updates on the technology that's shaping tomorrow.